Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is July the 20th, 2022. We are looking at Thai Dwarf Mulberry cuttings. So basically, I'm trying to clone the mother tree by using cuttings from that tree. I don't think it was a tree, but it was more like a shrubby-looking bush. But oddly enough, these things are really doing something. Haven't had these in the pots very long. Just used a little bit of rooting powder and scored the bottoms, the parts that went into the soil. So they seem to be producing, and look at that. You got a little mulberry right there already. I find that a little bit odd. Then look at this one. It's producing a bunch. I mean, we're just getting started here, literally. So, really eager to see if these guys survive. I'm hoping this isn't a fake out, because I've cloned mulberries in the past, and they've done this initially in the beginning from just a regular mulberry, not a Thai mulberry, but just regular mulberries. And they did this in the beginning, and all of a sudden they just keeled over, croaked. So hopefully we're not getting a fake out. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that definitely helps the channel grow. And stay tuned, as I'll continue to provide you with progress reports on these Thai dwarf mulberries. Have a great day.